Hey, this is Mark, and it's time for another 5S long screw damage. Just checking to see if that ring has started to come off. It looks like it hasn't, so I will leave it on there. So these are pretty routine now. I love the old 5S long screw damage. Never any surprises. It's always just a couple of broken traces and that's it. No third layer damage. No big chunks of the board being pulled up in random spots like in the 6. Alright, that should be good enough. I'm just going to fix these 3 traces on the right side. I normally use the micro pencil for this, but today I'm going to use the old hot tweezers. Maybe. We'll see how they do. And I remember when these used to take me forever to do. I used to hate doing these jobs. Have to solder a trace or two, take a break, come back to it, accidentally touch something that I'd already soldered and have to undo a bunch of traces and start it over. Now it's like, yeah, these are easy. I can do these all day long. Okay. Clean this up. I think it should be good to go now. Yep, that'll work. Give it a test. If I can find my 5S test parts. Oh, damn. I'm in the middle of doing a backup on a 5S right now, so my test parts are in use. So you're just going to have to trust me when I say that that is good enough. This thing's going to boot up just fine. I already know it. I'm so confident that I'm going to go ahead and apply the coating to it before I even test it. And this stuff comes out a bit more than I want at a time. I think I need a smaller syringe end for it. So this is that green coating that everybody's using now, and I just have my infrared or ultraviolet rather flashlight and just sit it like this and let it sit for a few minutes. And I've got another one that I cured earlier so I can show what it looks like when it's done. There it is. Oh, that is not done yet. Yeah, it's going to take a little longer. All right, that was it. That was a short video. Yeah, thanks for watching.